Imagine an island where towering mountains meet crystal-clear turquoise waters, where hidden coves remain untouched by time, and every winding road reveals another breathtaking view. A place where history, nature, and the Mediterranean come together in perfect harmony. Welcome to Mallorca. Floating in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Mallorca is the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands. Yet its true beauty isn't measured by its size. It's found in the extraordinary variety of landscapes waiting beyond every horizon. Within just a single day, you can stand above clouds on rugged mountain peaks, wander through centuries-old stone villages, and swim in waters so clear they seem almost unreal. Few places on Earth offer such remarkable diversity in one destination. For thousands of years, civilizations have crossed these shores. Romans, Moors, and Spaniards each left their mark, shaping an island where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern Mediterranean life. But Mallorca's greatest masterpiece isn't built by human hands. Nature has spent millions of years carving dramatic cliffs, hidden caves, emerald forests, and secluded beaches into one unforgettable landscape. Stretching across the island's northwest coast lies the Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where towering limestone mountains rise dramatically above the Mediterranean, creating one of Europe's most spectacular landscapes. As the morning sun rises above the peaks, golden light slowly transforms the mountains. Valleys awaken beneath drifting clouds, revealing a landscape that feels untouched by time. At Mallorca's northern edge stands Cap de Formentor, where sheer cliffs plunge into brilliant blue waters hundreds of meters below. Every viewpoint offers a scene worthy of a postcard. Beyond the cliffs, the coastline hides dozens of secluded coves known locally as calas. Sheltered by rocky cliffs and surrounded by turquoise water, these peaceful beaches are among Mallorca's most treasured natural wonders. Among Mallorca's most breathtaking coastal treasures lies Sa Calobra. Reached by one of Europe's most spectacular mountain roads, this secluded bay is surrounded by towering cliffs that rise dramatically from the sea, creating a landscape unlike anywhere else on the island. Just beyond the beach, the majestic torrent de Paris cuts through the mountains in a breathtaking canyon carved by nature over millions of years. Its towering rock walls lead visitors toward one of Mallorca's most unforgettable coastal landscapes. The journey continues in Palma, Mallorca's vibrant capital. Overlooking the waterfront stands La Seu Cathedral, a magnificent Gothic masterpiece that has watched over the Mediterranean for more than 7 centuries. Surrounding the cathedral, Palma's old town invites visitors to wander through narrow cobblestone streets, lively squares, and centuries-old buildings where history and modern life exist side by side. Hidden among the Tramuntana Mountains lies the enchanting village of Valldemossa. With its stone houses, flower-filled streets, and peaceful atmosphere, it has become one of Spain's most beautiful villages. Following the winding coastal roads leads to the charming town of Sóller, where historic architecture, palm-lined squares, and a century-old wooden tram preserve the island's rich heritage. From Sóller, the historic tram continues to Port de Sóller, a peaceful harbor embraced by towering mountains and the sparkling Mediterranean. Here, colorful boats gently sway as life moves at a slower pace. Beyond its famous landmarks, Mallorca offers endless opportunities for adventure. From sailing across turquoise waters and exploring hidden sea caves to hiking mountain trails with breathtaking views, every journey reveals another unforgettable side of the island. As the sun begins to set, warm golden light transforms Mallorca into a masterpiece of color. The mountains glow, the sea sparkles, and the island reveals a peaceful beauty that remains long after the day has ended. Whether you're wandering through historic villages, discovering hidden beaches, or standing atop dramatic sea cliffs, Mallorca offers experiences that stay with you long after you've returned home. It is this remarkable blend of natural beauty, rich history, and Mediterranean charm that has made Mallorca one of Europe's most beloved island destinations. Combining dramatic mountains, crystal-clear waters, charming villages, and unforgettable Mediterranean landscapes, Mallorca truly deserves its place among the world's most beautiful islands, a destination that continues to inspire travelers from every corner of the globe.